Good morning everyone and welcome to my video. This is the video of class 7 subject science. So actually we were continuing with our new chapter, that is acid, bases and salts. So in the first video, in the introduction part, we had read about why that means some fruits are, that means have sour in taste, some is having a sweet taste, and there are some product that is having a bitter taste. So we have got our answer, that means they are having their property. That means the acids are present in some, the bases are present and in some salts are present, so they are salty in nature. We had also read about the weak and the strong acid. We had also read about the concentrated and dilute acid. But here, that means in this video we are going to read about the properties of acid. Now in this video we are going to read about the physical properties as well as the chemical properties, and I will just also add the uses of these acids. So without wasting any time, so let's start our video. So here we are having with our properties of acid. So we will read first about the physical properties. So here the physical properties is written. Now about the acid, just we are reading about the physical properties of acid. Now acid, first thing, acid have a sour in taste. Whenever you will taste anything, they will have a sour in taste. For example, if you are taking a lemon, they are having sour in taste. If you are eating that means a ripe mango, they are having the sour taste. If you are eating the grapes, if you are eating the oranges, so they all are having the sour in taste because they are having the acid in it. So the next one we are having, acid are corrosive in nature. So we will see that if that means if the acid just react with the metal, that means just like iron, aluminum, and even at the cut surfaces, so what will happen, that means they will just react and they will corrode that place. Just like in the iron, if you just put an acid, so they will show the fast reaction and they will corrode it. So the third point is acid contain hydrogen. So this is the new for us. So these two things we know, that they are corrosive in nature and they are having the sarin taste. But acids contain hydrogen. Just like hydrogen is present in all the acids. So in the previous there was a table, so over from there we can see that hydrogens are present in all the acid. Now acid, whether it is mineral or organic, hydrogen, that means they will have the hydrogen atom. And this is not that means fixed, that if the hydrogens are present, so they will be acid, that means they will be poisonous. It is not compulsory, and it is also not compulsory that it will be an acid. Just like water, H2O, hydrogen is present but it is not acid. The last point we are having, acids are soluble in water. As in the, that means last minute of that video, previous video, I had told you all that how to mix the water and acid. So the next property we are having, the chemical properties. So here, so let's see what is the chemical properties of acid. First, react, the acid react with the metal. Just in the previous also we had seen that acid react with the metal. So here the examples is given, HCl, hydrochloric acid. When they react with the metal, that is called magnesium, so what will happen, Mg and Cl will just form MgCl2, and this hydrogen gas will just move to this side. So whenever the acid react with the metal, they form the hydrogen gas and a salt. So this is the salt and this is the hydrogen gas. So in the second example also there is again sulfuric acid is given, that is used in the batteries, and zinc is also there. So zinc will bind with the SO4, ZnSO4 will that means form over here. This is salt and this is the hydrogen gas. Remember every time that whenever the acid react with the metal, they will form the hydrogen and a salt. So the next thing we are having the reaction with carbonates. So what is this reaction with the carbonate? Now this the products of carbon, just like here the calcium carbonate is given over here, and here again the same example HCl. So this calcium will just combine with the Cl and this H. This H with this one will make the water, just like here they made a water and carbon dioxide gas and a product, that means this is the salt. So from here we can confirm this is salt, this is the hydrogen gas Hg, and this is the we can say CO2. From here also we can say that whenever the acid react with the carbonates, they will form salts, hydrogen gas and the carbon dioxide. So I'm sorry, I've just told wrong here. This is not the hydrogen gas, this is my mistake, this is water, sorry, H2O. So this is the, that means they will form salt, water and the uh, carbon dioxide. So here the one thing is written, the reaction of sodium bicarbonate with sulfuric acid is used to prepare carbon dioxide in chemistry laboratory. So here the third one is the reaction with bases. So if the acid reacts with the base, so what will form? Actually whenever the acid reacts with base, the actually the chemical or the we can say the equation is neutralized, the action is neutralized, the base will just neutral the action of the acid. So let's see what is written over here. So whenever this is the HCl and this is the base, so NaCl will form and this one will move to this side, that means H2O, H2 water is formed and a salt is formed. Again the other example is given, sulfuric acid H2SO4 and potassium hydroxide, this is a base and this is a acid. So when they will just means when they react, so a salt is formed, potassium sulfate and and water is formed. So we are having the next topic, that is some uses of common acids. So what that means, how the acids helps us in the, that means daily life, so daily life products. So here we are having the hydrochloric acid. So what is this hydrochloric acid? Now it is used in the, that means we can say the cleaning sink and sanitary ware, just like we, as we know with the common name that harpic, we know the harpic, we know this toilet cleaner, we know that some phenols are there. So on that one actually the hydrochloric acid is mixed. So that is the acid that just removes the, that means we can say helps in the cleaning of sink and the sanitary ware. So we just use to clean this one. We can also take the name of the colin. You may have seen the that means advertisement in the television. So over there the acids are used. Second thing we are having the sulfuric acid. Now sulfuric acid is mainly used in the car or trucks, batteries, or we can say the home inverters batteries. So if you open this part, if you open this lid part, cap part, so you will see that the sulfuric acid is present. So and they are very very dangerous if you put that in some, that means if it react with the clothes or anything, so what they will do, they will just burn that cloth. If you will, if it is put in the skin, so that will burn the skin. So we have seen this one. They also help in the making fertilizers such as ammonium sulfate and superphosphate. So just like fertilizer known as urea, DAP, so they are also used over there. Now the next one we are having the nitric acid HNO3. So what is this nitric acid? Now have you seen a goldsmith that they just clean the, that means gold or silver, and the shining part comes? Have you seen that one? If you have seen that one, so that is the nitric acid. One, when they wash the silver or the gold ornaments with the this nitric acid solution, so over there, that means it helps. And it also helps in the preparation of aqua regia. It also helps in the laboratory as a reagent. It is also used, the nitric acid. So the next one we are having the acetic acid. So what is this acetic acid? So have you heard about the name vinegar that is used in the food? That means in the chow mein, Maggi, chicken chili. So the name that is called the vinegar, they are also having sarin taste. So over there is a dilute acetic acid is mixed on that food item. Next one we are having carbonic acid. Now this carbonic acid is very famous. This is used in the drinks, that means in the alcohol and with the and soda water. So this is carbonic acid is very famous. Now the next one is citric acid. Now citric acid is just found in everybody's home. Just like one example we can say that lemon is a very good example of the citric acid. Tartaric. So these are the examples of the citric acid. Now the last one we are having the ascorbic acid. Now vitamin C is known as the ascorbic acid. So if you have taken some medicine from the doctor or the syrup, you will see over there the written over there, it is written that vitamin C. So if you see the, that means the ingredients, so over there you will get that ascorbic acid is written over there, and they are present in the citrus fruit is essential for our body. So they are essential for our body too. So here we have finished our video. In the next video we are going to read about the next part, that how the acids are formed and all these things, and acid rain, how the acid rain is hampering. So have a nice day. Thank you.